Good afternoon, student. Today we will solve some question answer of comparison of fraction. भग्नांशर कंपैरिजन रे तुलना रे आमे कौन करिया आज केतरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करिया ना कौन करिया एठी केतरा क्वेश्चंस अछि हो ना नहीं तो which is greater than, which is smaller than बा lesser than and which is equal to आमे एबे एठी देखिबा। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन अछि 1/2 1/3 1/2 और 1/3 मध्य रे के ग्रेटर देन एंड के लेस देन। तो एठी हमें प्रथमे कौन देखिबा हमर न्यूमरेटर आर डिफरेंट एंड सॉरी न्यूमरेटर आर सेम बट डिनोमिनेटर आर डिफरेंट। We are only focusing first the denominator. Okay, the two denominator of 1/2 and 1/3 are totally different. And then how we know what is the which is the bigger and which is the smaller? So at first we will equal the denominator. प्रथमे हमें कौन करिबा denominator को equal कर देबा। तो equal करिया पई कौन करिया पई कहितला में लसागु हो ना ने तो 2 and 3 लसग के 2 1 जा 2 अगेन 3 हो ना ने तो 3 2 जा 6। तो हमको कौन करिया पड़िबो 1/2 आ 1/3 को 2 को 6 करिया पड़िबो 3 को 6 करिया को पड़िबो बुझिलो। तो हमें एठी कौन करिबा 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई विथ what 2 सहित केते गुणिले 6 हबो 3 एंड 1/3 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2 हो ना ने एबे कौन हबो ना 1 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 3 by 2 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 3 कॉमा 1 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2 3 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2 कौन हबो 1 मल्टीप्लाई 3 के 3 by 6 and 2 by 6 okay 3 by 6 and 2 by 6। so now the all denominators are equal and which is the greatest among them 3 and 2। आमे एठी कौन देखिबा बे only numerator देखिबा because the denominators are become equal yes or no। so now 3 is greater than 2 yes or no 3 is greater than 2 out of 3 parts of 6 छोटा पार्ट अच्छी तो 3 गोटे पार्ट तार उठेबा आउ जने कोन नेला छोटा पार्ट 2 गोटे पार्ट नेला तो सबड अधिया के नेला 3 जे 3टी पार्ट नेला हो ना ने तो एठी बडो के 3/6 3/6 इज 1/2 yes or no। तो 1/2 is greater than 1/3 okay। now we will do the second one 1/5 and 1/4 1/5 and 1/4 here the same thing denominators are not equal okay। so what will we do we will at first we will do the equal of denominator आमे denominator को प्रथमे equal करिया। तो 5 and 4 रो एलसीएम कौन आसीबो 5 और 4 को कार कोथरे भाग हेबे कि हेबे नहीं केवल एक द्वारा ही हेबे तो कौन आसीबो 5 मल्टीप्लाई टू 20 ओके। आमे कौन करिबा 5 और 4 को 20 रे चेंज करिबा बुझलो। तो डिनोमिनेटर को हमें कौन करिबा 5 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 4 20 रे चेंज करिबा। तो 20 रे चेंज करिया पे हमें कौन करिबा 1/5 को मल्टीप्लाई विथ 4 करिबा हो ना नहीं अगेन 1/4 को मल्टीप्लाई विथ 5 करिबा यस और नो 1/5 को 4 सहित गुणिबा हेले 5 * 4 20 हबो 1/4 को 5 सहित गुणिबा कौन 4 × 5 कले 20 हबो हो ना नहीं। तो आंसर कौन आसीबो 1 multiply with 4 kete 4 by 20 and 5 by 20. So which is greatest among them? Which part is greatest among them? Out of 20, 4 parts is greatest, or out of 25 parts 5 parts is great? केते आसीबो 20टा पार्ट रू 4टा पार्ट ग्रेटेस्ट आसीबो ना 5टा पार्ट ग्रेटेस्ट आसीबो? Obviously 5 parts are greatest. Yes or no? So we will write the 5 by 20 is the greatest among them. So 5 by 20 is equal to 1 by 4. Yes or no? 5 by 20 is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is greatest from 1 by 5. आउ कौन तुम कही स्टूडेंट मु आमे जिते एमती गुणन कर 1 by 4 is equivalent fraction of 5 by 20. Yes or no? 1 by 4 is equivalent fraction of 5 by 20. When we simplify the fraction, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 4 ja 20. The answer will be 1 by 4. Yes or no? Then the 5 by 20 and 1 by 4 two fractions are equivalent fraction. As same as 1 by 5 and 4 by 20 is the equivalent fraction. We simplify this fraction. What? 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. Yes or no? 1 by 5. The answer is 1 by 5. Then 1 by 5 is equivalent to 4 by 20. एठी हमें कौन कर स्टूडेंट आमे तार इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन बाहर करी कंपैरिजन करूछु बुझलो एठी क्वेश्चन एबे कौन अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 1 by 3 and 1 by 10 here also denominators are different. So how we solve about 3 and 10? 3 and 10 the LCM is what? Nothing. 3 multiply with 10 30. आमको ये कौन करिया पड़िबो ना डिनोमिनेटर को 30 करिया पई पड़िबो. तो हम ये कौन करिया 1 multiply with 10 3 multiply with 10 हो ना नहीं आम ये डायरेक्ट लिखिबा केते सेमती गणी गणी लिखिबा. तो 1 by 3 को हम कौन करिबा 10 सहित मल्टीप्लाई करिबा 1 by 10 को हम कौन करिबा 3 सहित मल्टीप्लाई करिबा. तो हमरो डिनोमिनेटर 30 हे जिवो ना. तो 1 by 3 को 10 सहित मल्टीप्लाई कले कौन आसीबो 10 by 30 and 1 by 10 को 3 सहित मल्टीप्लाई कले कौन आसीबो 3 by 30. Understand? So which is the greatest among them? About 10 parts of 30? Yeah, 3 parts of 30. Obviously 10 parts of 30 is greatest among them. So then 10 by 30 is the greater than 3 by 30. So 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 10. Understand? 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 10. Next question jiba 2 by 4. Okay, 2 by 4 and 1 by 2. एठी हमरो कौन दला ना the numerator are different and the denominators are also different. So what is the question? 2 by 4 and 1 by 2. तो 1 by 2 रो equivalent fraction होची 2 by 4. Yes or no? When we simplify this fraction 2 1 ja 2 2 2 ja 4, the answer will be 1 by 2. Yes or no? 2 by 4 2 1 ja 2 2 2 ja 4, the answer will be 1 by 2. This is the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. So these twos are equal. What? Equal. Okay, 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. This is the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Then after that question 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. It kon dala the denominators are equal. Yes or no? The denominators are equal. So there is no problem. We can write as directly according to the numerator. How we will write? According to the numerator only, because there is same denominator here. So according to the numerator 2 is greater than 1. Yes or no? 2 is greater than 1. then 2 by 5 is greater than 1 by 5. Why? Among 5 parts, 2 parts is greater than 1. Yes or no? जने 5 भागरु कोन नेला 2 भाग नेला और जने 5 भागरु गोटे भाग नेला. Obviously 2 भाग नेबाटा ही बड़ थिबो. तो after that another question is 2 by 9 and 5 by 9. 2 by 9 and 5 by 9. Here also denominators are same. Yes or no? And the numerators are different. Then nothing problem here. We can do as directly as according to the numerator. So according to the numerator is 5 is greater than 2. Yes or no? 5 is greater than 2, but 2 is less than from 5. So the 2 by 9 is less than from 5 by 9. Okay, बुझी पारलो ए सब क्वेश्चन केमते हमें सॉल्व कले. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमरो कोन देला 3 by 10 and 3 by 10. These two are equal. Yes or no? So 3 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10. Okay. After that 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. Here the numerators are equal, but the denominators are different. Yes or no? The numerators are equal but the denominators are different, not equal. So what is the question? 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. आम ये कौन करवा 2 आउ 2 आउ 5 लस आउ बाहर करें तो किसी आसबनी. तो 2 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 5 10. आमको कौन करवा पड़ो डिनोमिनेटर को ए दुईटा डिनोमिनेटर को 10 करने को पड़ो. तो आम कौन करवा 1 by 2 रे केते गुणिबा 5 एंड 1 by 5 रे केते गुणिबा 2. बुझलो. तो 1 by 5 by 2 केते 1 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 5 5 by 10. Here 1 by 5 multiply 2 2 by 10. Okay, now the denominators are equal. So which part is greater? According to the numerator 5 is greater than from 2. Yes or no? So 1 by 2 is greater than from 1 by 5. Okay, next question is 2 by 7 and 2 by 5. Here also numerator are same but denominators are different. So how will we recognize? एमती सॉल्व करी जीव हाँ ना ना स्टूडेंट. तो आमे जदि आम किए क्वेश्चन पचारे एमती डायरेक्ट तो आम से सॉल्व करी जीवा कि डायरेक्ट एमती कहीदेवा. तो आम थिंकिंग रे एस्टिमेशन कौन आम एस्टिमेशन रे आम ये क्वेश्चन भाविबा ना कौन देती 2 by 7 7टा पार्ट अच्छी से 2 गोटी पार्ट पुणी 5टा पार्ट अच्छी से 2 गोटी पार्ट. हाँ ना. एबे कौन कला आमको गोटे राउंड अप एठी देला. बुझलो. एटा को 7 पार्ट से कला 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 डन. 7 पार्ट. हियर 5 पार्ट है तार 1 1 2 3 4 5 done. The same space here. Yes or no? Here 2 parts of the 7. Okay, and here 2 parts of the 5. So this is bigger than this. Yes or no? 7 भागर 2 भाग टिके कम हो हाँ ना नहीं कहीं 5 भाग 2 भाग अधिक हो. तो आम एस्टिमेशन कौन जना पड़ा ना 2 5 5 इज ग्रेटर देन 2 by 7. आम तुम आपको सॉल्व करना देख. ओके, सॉल्व करना देख जदि किए इक्वल आसची ना बड़ आसची जदि कौन आसचे निजे जापर. तो एस्टिमेशन कहीपर ना नहीं 7 भाग ओबियसली 2 भाग कम कहीं 5 भाग 2 भाग टी अधिक थाए. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आम जा 5 by 10 and 1 by 2. दिस इज what 5 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2. Yes or no? Why? ना 1 by 2 रो गोटे equivalent fraction. When we simplify this fraction, what 5 by 10 5 1 जा 5 5 2 जा 10. When we simplify this fraction we can get 1 by 2. So 5 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2. And here there is another fraction 4 by 9 and 2 by 9. Here the denominators are same, so there is no problem. The 4 is greater than 2. So direct you will write like this: 4 by 9 is greater than from 2 by 9. Okay. And last question, our 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. According to the question, the denominators are equal, and according to the numerator, the 3 is greater than from 1. So 3 by 4 is greater than from 1 by 4. So we can solve all our question in today. Then you will write this and practice this. You take some examples from your book, yeah, something, and practice it. Okay, take care and bye.